Okay. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy CJ and
Keisha.
Today we will be eating hot chicken flavored ramen noodles. Ooh. So we got this spicy sauce with some, I can't read this. Like maybe it's nori or the seaweed with the sesame seeds. Yeah. Let's get it mixing. Let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. So the kids ate some of this earlier, and they did good. They ate more than I thought they would. When Adrian said it tastes like dog food, so hopefully that's not the case. Cause I don't eat dog food. That smells good. Tastes good. Ooh. Mix it all up. Mix it. Oh, what's that? Oh, no, I don't want that in mine.
I'm nervous
Maybe
about this heat.
I left a little juice in there. Maybe I shouldn't have did that. Because it's splashing.
I got less water.
You want more water?
No, it's okay.
You
You just trying to trick me.
Nah, I ain't trying.
So you gonna be over there acting like,
Huh?
You gonna be over there acting like yours ain't spicy. You put so much water in your bowl. Got mine over here. Can't even get the mixture on it because it's so damn dry.
Oh, you want some more?
No, it's okay. No.
I give you some of my spice.
No.
You good?
Yeah.
You ready?
We're gonna start at saying now?
Yep.
Okay.
You're right.
What? Sorry.
No, you good. Mine is splashing because I put too much water in it.
It's not even that hot. Can I try one?
It's hot. Huh?
Can I try one on the top?
It is hot. But the noodles are good.
Can I try one on?
I like the consistency of the noodles. They're not really mushy.
Oh my God!
You put your hand in my bowl.
Sorry.
He said, "Can I try one off the top?" So today, let me slide by. Show everybody.
Oh,
You want some spicy noodles? Say no. You want some spicy noodles?
How do you
What
just
about
eat
you?
them like that? Mom?
then you gotta put your fingers out.
Bruh.
Oh, true story. We went to the store, to the grocery store, and there was this older lady. She probably was about 75. Short white lady. And she was like, "Excuse me, sir." I was like, "Yes, ma'am." She said, "My boyfriend is black and he texts me." She said he went to work that morning. She sent him some money and he texted her back, ZN. Zebra November, ZN. Now I thought she said DN. So I was like thinking, maybe he meant these nuts. DN, these nuts. And she, when she said Zebra November, she was like, "Well, I just figured I'll ask you because, he's a black man." And I'm just like, ask him. I don't know. Ask him what he meant. She was like, "Oh, I did, but he never texted me back." It was funny because she was.
Can I have one?
I've never seen this lady in my life. Is it good?
Just one?
It's got good flavor. It's just hot. It's like I'm torturing myself. Like they taste good, but it's like as I'm putting it to my mouth, I'm like, no, it's hot.
I really like it. It is spicy though. Good flavor. Woo.
Let's see who can finish first.
You've been eating, I've been talking. Okay. Y'all go in the living room. Yeah, go in the living room. Help her with her chips, please. You walking past it. Thank you. And people eat like 4 and 5 packs of this at one time.
Man, no.
That's why they be saying the four times spicy ramen noodle.
No.
And then they'll do it. No drink allowed.
Alright, I'm gonna do the no drink thing. But I ain't eating none of them 2 packs of noodles. My lips.
It's getting spicy.
Spice is a good plumper.
Really?
Yeah.
Pump it. Woo!
Tastes fast. I feel that in my ears.
You do? Not yet. I just feel it in my
Ears are itching. Maybe it's best to eat it with no juice.
No juice?
Right.
Why?
No liquid. Because it be about to hit the back of my throat.
And you got
I mean, it's probably true. Licking my lips hurt.
as crazy as it sounds, I like the burning of the lips.
Why am I blowing?
You trying to cool the heat off. Cause they not the temperature, they not hot temperature.
I'm trying to blow the spice away. Like, it's hot. Woo. Ooh, look at my lips hurt. I'm gonna finish this bowl though. Cause
You gonna finish it?
It's a challenge, right? It's a challenge, right?
Yeah.
Or no?
Yeah. Yeah. Woo!
I'm shaking now.
You shaking?
A little bit. It's hot, girl.
She telling us how crazy we are. We gonna pay for this later. Ooh. 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 You know what's crazy? Most of the time when you do like eat a spicy food, whether it be like a noodle, it be super salty. Now the salt content on this thing is high, but flavor wise, it got good flavor.
I taste sweetness.
And it don't taste like an overload
You okay?
of salt. Yeah. I just was getting ready for this next bite.
Right. this point, I'm just trying to finish.
Hmm?
I'm just trying to finish. And I get this juice on me.
Done. So,
Does that count?
yeah,
Okay.
you good.
Yeah.
You did it.
Yep. Yep.
How you feel?
Good.
You sure?
Yeah. Damn, my nose was.
What happened? Woo! That do hurt, Bernie. That do burn, lick your lips. That's hot. Your lips are orange. Ooh. Excuse me. It was good, but it was really spicy.
Yeah, they do have good flavor. I thought it was gonna be nasty
Yeah.
because the spice pouch smells nasty.
It does. It does have a pungent smell to it, like what is in this? But it's that thing, that thunder. Not bad. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment,
Oh
subscribe,
my
share
God!
this video with your family and friends. I was gonna ask some questions,
I wasn't gonna be able to talk through that.
but yeah, I can't even think clear to say what I want to say because my lips burn. And it's creating this. Water ain't gonna help me. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. And we'll be back at y'all with another video soon. Peace out.